That was awesome. But you know what would make this even a more awesomer day? Yeah! Let's do it. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Baby, this is gonna be good. And hot. Oh wow. Probably seems a little ridiculous all the stuff I put in my Asian barbecue now, but it's so good. I'm gonna eat this. So, I know what you're thinking. Yeah! Oh boy. Here we go. Damn it! Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the next athlete up to the luge. It's Russell. Dramatic pause, lows on. Watch as he hurls himself down the hill. There is Junebug giving him many support. It looks insane, but yes, he's done it. He's got to the bottom. The dogs are trying to get him up. There he goes. He's getting up. He's uninjured relatively, and he's going for a victory lap. Yes, a wonderful victory lap. There he goes. And now he's back. And now he's really going to show this hill who's boss. Look at him go. He's going to do it. What a majestic athlete. There's Junebug urging him on, upwards and onwards. He's going to make it. I've never seen anything like it. A true Olympian rising to the top, and there he's finished. What a great performance, and oh damn, he's video editor does not know what he's doing, but anyway, what a terrific performance. Congratulations to Russell Dramatic Pause Lozon. Anyway, 7:40 somewhere. I'm uploading a video. I've got the fire going. Dogs haven't eaten yet, but we're, I don't know, it's 7:40. It feels like 6:40 because the time changed last night. This morning, I guess. Anyway, we're having a lime and lager, and then I'm going to feed them. I don't have anything special for them to eat today. I got leftovers from my Asian barbecue, but I'm saving those. Lime and lager. Cheers, guys. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff right there. Yeah, I didn't really need to do that because, I mean, I'm filming in, in sequence here. I just like doing it. Anyway, we're going to do a beer review. A Junebug and Russell beer review. She doesn't look too impressed so far, does she? What we got here is Stonehammer. Can you see that? Stonehammer Premium Ale Dark. Made by the Stonehammer Brewing something in Guelph, Ontario. All natural, no preservatives. Sorry, Stonehammer Brewing is the name of the company, and then Premium Ale Dark, I guess, is what that is. 5% alcohol, 473 milliliters. A sensationally easy drinking amber brown beer with considerable depth, given its mild manner. The aroma hints at caramel and cocoa. It is smooth and lightly carbonated, leaning towards a nutty light caramel flavor, with a hint of mocha. 5-time award winner. 5% alcohol, 25 IBU, 2.5 degrees P, FG. Yeah, our people, our passion, your beer. Nice. Stonehammer Dark. So when I used to do beer reviews, I do like IPAs and stuff like that. Whatever was on the shelf that was Ontario Craft, and now I just go for the darks. I like the darks. Anyway, Junebug. Ready for the pour? I've got my Stella Artois glass here. It's the perfect size for this size of beer can. I don't know, it could be dark and amber at the same time. Dark brown and amber. I mean, it's called dark. The description says it's amber brown. So, yeah, I guess that's looking dark and amber and brown all at once. Kind of got like that caramel coloring to it. Good color, good color. I don't know if you can see that. Smells good. Oh, that is delightful. Yes. Yeah, I can taste the caramel and I can taste the cocoa. And interesting, because a lot of dark beers have that coffee flavor to it, but this doesn't. Yeah, I like that. That's good stuff. Stonehammer Brewing. That's a good name too. I like that. So if anybody from Stonehammer Brewing is watching and you want to sponsor my videos or just send me a 6-pack or whatever, I'll take that as sponsorship. Yeah, that's good. I like it. I can totally see myself drinking this. I could also see myself drinking this if I had a mirror handy. Yeah, what do you think, Junebug? Oh, you're not impressed. Junebugger. Oh yeah, she's out. She had a good run today, and a good run as I was throwing myself down the hill. What a good doggies. Alright, that's it. Should I get back to the regular? I don't know what the regular... I can't do that thing back because there's nowhere to go back to. It's just the next segment. No, there is no more segments. Alright, this is it. Yeah, so anyway... I'm just making this up as I go. I really am. I'm just making this up. Oh, boy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and the like button, which looks like this down below. And yeah, and stay tuned for a few seconds. You'll see a couple other of my videos come up, and you can watch those too. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. Oh shit, let's do it anyway. Let's do it anyway. We totally did it. We totally freaked them out. Wonder what they're watching now. What do you think they're watching now? I don't know, so I'm just gonna put something up. Yeah, I'll put up like a shot of the pond or something. And maybe I'll... Oh! It's a fly. I was gonna say, oh shit! They're still watching! Hold on, let me try again. Ow! My nail! I broke my nail! Well, you chose to lie there. You don't get upset at me, because I... You know I was going to set the camera there. Oh, don't look away from me. We're having a conversation here. Dogs. They think they own the place. They can just lie down wherever. Now she's looking at me like, what?